Today, we're going to talk about something that could, literally give you back hours of your day. We're diving into software that can automate your mouse and keyboard, basically making all those boring digital chores a thing of the past. Just think about it for a second. You know that feeling, right? That report you have to format every single week, or grinding for resources in a game, or just endless, mind-numbing data entry. We have all been there, stuck in that loop of the same clicks, the same keystrokes. It is so frustrating. But what if you could just not? And that feeling, that's exactly what our first section is all about. We're calling it the digital drudgery, because let's be honest, that's exactly what it feels like. And look, the key thing here is that it's not just about being bored. These kinds of tasks, they drain your focus. They eat up all the mental energy you could be spending on things that actually matter. Creative problem solving, thinking about the big picture, or hey, just taking your lunch break. It's really all about freeing up your brain power. So there's got to be a better way, right? Well, let's get into section 2, your personal automation tool. The solution is here, and it's actually remarkably simple. The answer is a piece of software that's designed to do one thing and do it really, really well. Copy your actions. It's a tool that takes over all those repetitive mouse clicks and keyboard taps, doing them exactly how you want with the speed and the precision that you set. I love this quote from the source material because it just perfectly sums up the whole promise here. You're not just getting a tool, you're getting like a digital assistant. You do the thinking one time, you set it up, and then you get to just sit back and watch the magic happen. Okay, so how does it all actually work? That brings us to section 3, how to create a script. And hey, don't let that word script scare you off. It is so much simpler than it sounds. What's so great about this slide is the analogy. A macro script, it isn't some complex code. Just think of it like a digital recipe. Each step, a click here, a key press there, is just an ingredient. You just list them out in the right order to get the result you're looking for. Simple as that. And building that recipe, it's a super simple 4-step process. First, you pop open the editor, which is kind of like your command center. Then you just add the actions you want it to do. Click at these coordinates, type this sentence. After that, you save it, and you assign it a keyboard shortcut so you can run it whenever you want. Okay, so now let's see how all this builds into something really, really powerful. Section 4 is all about the world of possibilities. What can you actually do with this thing? Right, so once you get the basic idea of making a script, you're going to realize this tool is not just for one little task. No way. You can apply this to pretty much any area of your digital life. Okay, for all you gamers out there, listen up. This is an absolute game changer. You can automate these really complex combos with a single key press, or you can set up clicks with random delays, which is perfect for those grindy resource-gathering tasks that need to look, well, human. It's all about playing smarter, not harder. But it is so not just for play. In a work setting, the possibilities are just huge. Imagine launching all of your morning apps with one shortcut, or scheduling a script to run a report at midnight for you. This doesn't just eliminate the task, it eliminates the mental energy of having to remember to do it. And for the real power users, it gets even more impressive. You can have a script literally monitor your screen for a specific change and then trigger another action. You can chain scripts together. You can even just hit record, do a whole complex series of actions yourself, and then play it back perfectly every single time. Okay, so this all sounds pretty great, right? But how do you go from just knowing about it to actually doing it? Let's jump into our final section, putting it all to work, and how you can get started in just a few minutes. Honestly, the best way to begin is just to see it in action. The source material points out there are video tutorials that walk you through everything, step by step, from the most basic click to all those advanced features we just talked about. It's really designed to be easy to pick up. So, as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with a question to chew on. Just take a look at your own day, your own workflow, your own gaming sessions. What is that one tedious, repetitive thing you wish you never had to do again? Because, well, now you might not have to. What are you going to automate first?